Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record without nobody's tracing it that you are recording. Nobody will know whether you are recording or not, okay? Because the face of your camera, your phone will blank. Everything will blank, no traces, nobody will even notice. So what you're going to do is come down to the Play Store here and go straight to here and install XS camera. Okay, so I have installed it right now. I'm opening. Let's open it. Okay, as you can see it here now, you press continue. So just throw it. You throw it again. You cut start recording, click it. So after that, start camera. You click on start camera. So you grant permission, allow SS camera to take picture and record video. So this is what you are going to do. Just allow it to take picture and record video. Allow it. Allow. If I want to start recording now, let's start. Record now. You can see the icon here. So this is SS camera. You can see. You can go to the setting. You change it to anything you like. You can say I change it to Apple so that nobody will trace. So if you want to record, just click on it like this. So right now, as you can see, you come down to this area and you press start camera. So automatically it will start recording. So I have pressed it right now. Now you can see my phone right now. My phone is you can see my phone. It's recording now. It's recording now. So how you will know? You yourself you can know. It's very effective. So that is how you will know that it's recording and nobody will trace, nobody will know that it's recording. So that is how you will use S camera to record privately without anybody tracing that you are recording, guys. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider to so that people who do not have opportunity to see this video will see it. Thank you.